welcome back. We have something urgent to look together. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Neo. We have something that we need to watch together regarding AI development, the most recent development. Let's take a look at the TED Check earlier today. Let's watch together.
NVIDIA's Jensen Huang describing a dramatic shift happening in AI in that earnings call last night.
Agentic AI has turned an inflection point, and it literally happened in the last couple, 2-3 months. The world is now awakened to the agentic AI inflection.
For today's Tech Check, Deirdre Bosa looking at how this new era of AI might reset the leaderboard. Dee, curious to know what you made of his comments last night.
I mean, Carl, we've been talking a lot about this shift from chatbots to agents, and Jensen Huang was essentially confirming it. The inflection point, he says, has arrived. And that may mean a new race, one where the scoreboard looks very different. Take a look at this chart. It was posted by Andreessen Horowitz partner Olivia Moore. She used Yipit data that tracks new premium subscriptions across the major AI platforms. OpenAI, no surprise here, dominated the chatbot era, peaking at nearly 1.7 million new subs a month early last year. But that growth this year has been stalling right at that inflection point that Jensen Huang talks about. Meanwhile, Claude has been steadily climbing. Now, it matters because OpenAI built its lead answering questions, but the competition, it's shifted to agents, and that is AI that runs tasks, operates software, executes entire workflows. The latest releases that we've seen this year, they reflect that. OpenAI shipped Codex, a full coding agent. Anthropic's Claude Code, it hit $1 billion run rate in just 6 months. And just yesterday, Perplexity jumped back into the race with an autonomous agent called Computer that can take one prompt and run with it for hours across multiple models. It's also, some version of this open claw phenomenon we've been watching. Now, in this light, it is interesting to look at Google here. Gemini, yes, it got a big bump when it launched its latest model, Gemini 3, late last year. But that faded fast, arguably because it was still a better chatbot in a market that is already moving past chatbots. It didn't have, or at least it didn't properly demonstrate, the agent capabilities, which are developer tools, deep integrations that are really becoming a hallmark of this new race. Now, for investors, guys, it suggests that even a great model launch, it isn't enough if you're winning the wrong war. The chatbot war had a clear winner. The agent war, it does not. And there is an enormous amount of money being bet on the assumption that somebody is going to build a massive business on these models in the agent space. And right now, guys, really shows that this is anybody's race to win.
Now, let's pause here for a moment. Why chatbot was so last year, or last decade, if you will? We're talking about AI development time, which is faster, and faster. And last year, we had that DeepSeek moment, if you remember. China companies can use less capable chips to do better jobs when it came to AI chatbot. What it was we asked for answer, and AI use a lot of their intelligence and find all the resources, relevant resources, and analyze which ones are more important and summarize them in a very logical, easy to understand ways to us, the one who put the query up in the air for them to search for the answers. Now, this year, the race is on AI agents. What are AI agents? Why are they different from previous years' chatbot? AI agent is just not some behind the scene algorithm which just help us find the answer. They not only just help us find the answer, they also help us get the tasks done for us. For example, you are driving a Chinese electric car For example, NIO Neo, ES8, the best selling electric SUV in China for the last 2 months, not Model Y. Now, you ask the car, hey, I'm hungry and I feel like I want some light but not overly heavy food. I would like some dessert at the end of the meal, and I would like some nice atmosphere. The AI agent of the Neo Nomi, 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 that is the AI assistant, in-car AI assistant. It doesn't just give you the answer, the verbal answer. It takes care of the reservations of the table for you if you are en route to the restaurant. And also, if you are already busy, it can help you find the best, most convenient time of yours during your trip to visit that particular restaurant, and also find the best time for you to visit the restaurant when it is not too crowded, when it is most likely the best experience, with a sunset if it is by the sea, for example. The AI agent takes care of not just finding the answers for you, but get the job done for you. That is the difference between AI agent and just chatbot. China, they are using previous year's chips, and they are achieving much more than what our electric cars can do for us. Ask your Tesla to do it for you. No, not available, sorry. It's still on command. Meaning, if you don't say specifically, increase the temperature by 5 degrees, for example, the car won't do it for you. If you say, I feel cold, yeah, I feel cold is our language, but however, it is a command in the system, right? But if you say, how come I'm sweating like crazy? Would the car change the temperature lower for you? No, it does not understand. It has to take certain type of commands. China is so advanced. Now, we are not talking about China. We are talking about USA. We have another disruptor, Anthropic. They are developing the AI agent. And now Perplexity is also developing the AI agent, as she just talked about. The AI agent race is on. Whoever get there first at the lowest cost to customers win. They probably win. It looks like a winner takes all situation. And how chatbot was a wake-up call last year, such as we have DeepSeek moment, and we have the Microsoft chatbot. But now we are on to AI agent. A lot of company will be disrupted. Now guys, let's take a look at this video about IBM. It dropped 13.2% yesterday.
Computing often required large teams of consultants years to update workflows. Anthropic says its Cloud Code tool can now complete that work in quarters instead of years, automating exploration and analysis of legacy code. The news weighed on the broader tech sector. Software companies have been under pressure as investors consider the impact of AI tools, and cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike and Datadog also slipped on Monday amid fears over new AI security applications. Analysts say tools like Cloud Code could reduce reliance on manual consulting, accelerating COBOL modernization, and changing how companies maintain legacy systems. For IBM, the market reaction shows both opportunity and risk. While AI could improve efficiency for clients, it also threatens traditional service revenue streams.
See, it also threatens traditional service revenue streams. What company can we think of? Let's see. Which company? OMG, Duolingo! Oh my goodness. So many people want to buy Duolingo. Why I'm buying Duolingo? 110% upside? Are you kidding me? I just bought $10,000 of Duolingo stock. That was 3 months ago. 3 months ago, Duolingo. Let's see. Duolingo. Give me 1 second. Let me go to Yahoo Finance and find Duolingo. Three months ago. Oh, is it today? Oh, it is today. It is today. Oh, wow. This is a cliff. If you have a cliff house here, it will fall down. Oh, man. Okay, 3 months ago. November? Yeah. November. Now it's February. Around here, maybe around here. So let's give him the lowest point here. 167. 167. What is it now? 92. Alexa, what is 92 divided by 167?
92 divided by 167 is about 0.55. That's roughly 55%.
So it has dropped 45% in order to just get the remaining 55%. So it has dropped 45%. After this guy bought, so he has lost 4,500 so far. Oh. Why I just purchased 100,000 in Duolingo stock 1 month ago? 1 month ago. 1 month ago. What was Duolingo stock price 1 month ago? 150. And now it's 92? This YouTuber, with all my respect, they did not see the AI disruption coming. I mean, I like SoFi, right? I also take a look at what could be the possible ways that SoFi technologies business models could be disrupted by AI and AI agents. So far, I have the confidence that AI agent does not have the legal aspect to take care of a lot of transactions, especially international transactions. So I think, in my opinion, with my due diligence in looking for the findings, I do not think SoFi business models can be easily disrupted by AI agents. However, if you are talking about Duolingo, if you guys know what this app is for, is you download it and then it teaches you different languages, and it also helps you translate different languages to your native languages. But if I ask Alexa, or if I ask Siri of iPhone to interpret something for me, then it is almost as if it is an AI agent that help me translate. And I can talk in real time with someone who speak in Japanese, for example, or speak in Thai language, or speak in Russian languages. I don't really need Duolingo, do I? Even now, without the AI agents by Anthropic, let's say, right? That threat is so real. And these people, who are they? They are trying to let people know that they are buying Duolingo and you should follow them. I mean, with all my respect, I can't do this to my audience. All the company stocks I recommend almost do not have any likelihood to be disrupted by AI in any form of AI, but rather they are riding the wave of the AI disruption. I feel you. $150 per share and now it's only 92. I feel you. Wow. That is 34% gone. Alexa, what is 92 divided by 150? Alexa. Never mind. She's sleeping. Okay, well, let's just say 34%, right? So here he has forgone 34,000 in just 1 month. Wow. What is this guy talking about? Duolingo Q4 earning the plan to reach 100 million daily users. Is it real? With all the AI agents, all the disruptive force from every single angle that you can find around you, and you think Duolingo can reach 100 million daily users, still going up but not coming down? Well, somehow we need to be more realistic, right, guys? Don't you think? You keep on jumping around. OMG. Why I'm buying Duolingo? Well, maybe I'm missing something. But what does the market tell us, right? What is the market telling us? It looks like the major institutional investors are selling. Look, the highest point was 539, 544.93 cents per share. And now it's what? 92. Wow, it has dropped. Hey Google, what is 92 divided by 544?
On the website ojjbp.ojp.gov, they say 92 to 544. The FBI is empowered to exchange identification records with officials of state.
Hey Google, stop.
For purposes of licensing and employment.
Hey Google, stop. See, these AI are not even that intelligent, right? Alexa, what is 92 divided by 544?
92 divided by 544 is about 0.17 or 17%. That's the exact quotient.
Okay, thank you.
Happy to help with those calculations.
Well, from its all-time high of 544, now it is 92. It's only 17% left. It has so far dropped 83%, and it doesn't look like it has finished the job yet. And these people are thinking the market is wrong. The institutional investors are wrong. Oh well. Maybe I'm the only one who is wrong. OMG. Okay, after this, and yeah, I just want to bring to you guys attention why a lot of software companies have been seeing their stock prices crash for recently. The AI disruption is real, and this is a huge wake-up call, even a much bigger wake-up call compared to last year's chatbot moment of the DeepSeek from China, because now this AI agent can take care of all the work. Then why do we need all these companies to do the work for us? We can just rely on AI agent. We will have a more specific video that talk about everything behind AI agents, what they are doing, why they are so efficient, why they are so cost effective, and which company stand to benefit from AI agent craze and development, and why I'm not buying Duolingo or IBM, for that matter, International Machine, IBM. Yesterday, if you see it here, it just dropped like crazy. That is see it here is what? 258. Here is 219. That 13.2% drop is another wake-up call. IBM is a giant. A lot of company relies on IBM to help them do all the tasks. And now you have AI agents that disrupt IBM business, International Business Machine Corporation. Fortune 500 company relies on IBM. And a lot of big companies relied on IBM, even Macy's. A lot of other companies also. And if IBM can be disrupted, a lot of other companies can be easily disrupted, because IBM has that scale, economic of scales, and it has all the market penetrations, which the small companies don't have. And even International Business Machine Corporations is now being disrupted. This threat is so real. Don't follow all those my counterparts, on YouTube. You and I must do our own due diligence and find out, is there a real reason why these software-based companies are dropping crazily as far as their stock prices go, right? There must be some real reason. It won't just drop because what they think, the market took it wrong. The AI threat is not real. No, it's real. It's real. Three, two, one. All right, so guys, here I have at least one example before I go for tonight. I have one example. What kind of company will not be disrupted by AI, but still with exceptional growth? One company is, well, we can think of food. If we eat food, can an agentic AI take care of the food for us? No, we have to cook it. We have to have robots, we have to have kitchen robots to cook it for us. Now, food and drinks go hand in hand. We have the number one healthiest energy drink. I did not name it the healthiest drink or energy drink, but there are certain criteria, and there are big corporations and organizations which test all the different drinks and find out which one is the healthiest energy drink in our market. They have found out the most healthiest is Celsius Life Fit. It has to be the healthiest energy drink for those looking for an energy boost. It has some of the highest caffeine content of all the beverages on this healthy energy drink list. So they have a list of drinks, including Gatorade, Monster, and other energy drinks from, for example, Starbucks and any other energy drinks. With each can boasting 200 milligrams of natural caffeine from green tea and guarana. See, this study or this test was carried out on January 5th, 2026, so it is very recent. So it's natural caffeine from green tea and guarana. So this is quite good. And as you look at the picture, you notice Celsius Life Fit, but they are picturing Alani. Why Alani? Because Celsius has just acquired Alani. Let me show you. Celsius acquired Alani. New. Let me move it. Celsius Holdings complete its acquisitions of health-focused energy drink brand Alani Nu on April 1st, 2025, so about 1 year ago, for a total of 1.8 billion or 1.65 billion net in a mix of cash and stock. This strategic acquisition aims to expand Celsius' reach to a younger, female-driven, and health-conscious consumer base. So you can see Celsius itself is catering to both sexes. But then Alani Nu is, the drinks cater more to just the female audience. Brand alignment. Alani Nu, known for unique flavors and low-calorie energy products, complements Celsius' portfolio. Market impact. The deal strengthens Celsius positions in the competitive energy drink market, targeting Gen Z and female demographics. Financials. The acquisition is expected to be accretive to earnings, with significant revenue contributions already seen in 2025. Following the acquisition, Alani Nu products continue to be sold at major retailers including Walmart, Target, GNC, and Costco. I have seen them in all these stores. Yeah. And actually, Celsius also acquired Rockstar Energy Drink as well, but that company only sold about 55 million worth of drinks for the last quarter. Compared to Alani Nu, actually, it was 300 plus millions for revenue for the last quarter. So Alani Nu is much more popular and much more has more penetration into the market segments already. Now let's take a look at the Celsius current fourth quarter performance results. Investing.com Celsius Holdings report fourth quarter results that exceed Wall Street expectations. Its share suddenly just shot higher by almost 20% pre-market. But then because the overall market sentiments kind of dropped throughout the day, and it kind of gave back some of the gains, but maybe gave back about 60% of the gain. The company report adjusted earnings per share of $0.26, beating the analyst estimate of just 19 cents or $0.19 per share. So the beat was 7 cents higher. Revenue surged 117% to $721 $6.6 million, partially because of Alani New acquisition. See, as it already said earlier, it would be starting to make contribution to the revenue in 2025, and this is last quarter of 2025. So see, it has started contributing to the top and bottom lines already, which is wonderful. Topping the consensus estimate of 634.14 million. So the beat is significant. See, it's almost 80 million higher. The beat is significant, and making a significant increase from 332.2 million in the prior year period. So it has grown more than 100%, so 117%. Amazing. We are talking about the same growth rate such as Palantir and App Nothing. It's crazy. And it is an energy drink company. It's not a software, not AI related. And it won't be disrupted by AI or agentic AI. The revenue growth was driven by the acquisitions of Alani New and Rockstar Energy, which contributed 370 million and 45 million respectively during the quarter. However, Celsius brand revenue declined approximately 8% compared to the same period last year due to temporary integration-related timing dynamics. Because also they are going international now, and there is more, under the hood that is going on right now, and then because they just acquired these two companies, so the expenditure increased for the last quarter, which we will discuss. I think it's to talk about it here. If not, I have another video that talks about Celsius more in depth, so we will talk about it in that video. The company note these factors result in a short-term misalignment between shipments and promotional activity during the quarter and are not reflective of underlying retail demand trends. Share jumped 17.8% following the announcement. Actually, it was as high as almost 21%. It's crazy. 2025 was a defining year for Celsius Holdings as we delivered record full-year revenue of 2.5 billion, underscoring the power of our brands and the strength of our growth model. Note CEO. For the full year of 2025, revenue totaled 2,515 million, up 86%, which is marvelous, from 1.35 billion in 2024. Adjusted dilute EPS for the years was $1.34 per share compared to just 70 cents in the prior year per share. Wow, almost 100% increase for dilute EPS, which is wonderful. Even they have two major acquisitions and they have to dilute some existing shareholders in the process, they still managed to increase the EPS by almost 100%. See, it is just like SoFi. They dilute. This company bought more company. SoFi dilute. They pay down their debt and lower their overall operating cost and increase their bottom line profitability. These two businesses are wonderful. Gross profit margin for the fourth quarter was 47.4%, which is wonderful, down from 50.2%, which they should talk about it here. Why? In the prior year period, reflecting integration costs and higher product costs related to tariffs. See, tariffs. But as we all see, it will be coming down to 15% all across the board for all the countries. So it actually becomes lower. The company expects margins to expand across 2026. See, it's gonna go back up again and return to normalized profile with gross margin percentages in the low 50s as integrations complete. See, now, let's see. Retail sales of the Celsius Holdings portfolios in the U.S. tracked channels increased 24.4% for the 13-week period and December 28, 2025, with the company holding approximately 20% dollar share in the US energy categories. See, I don't know why they have the dollar. Yeah, should not be there. The company hold about 20% of the market share of the total US energy drink market. Every 5 energy drink bought by consumers, one of them is Celsius or Alani Nu or Rockstar Energy. That is huge. That is huge. And who doesn't want to drink or eat healthily while getting themselves or getting their bodies ready for the gym sessions, right? So now we have a winner. And we will talk more about Celsius and how it may go expand the international penetrations into different market segments in the future, and how AI actually will help the growth of this company rather than disrupt its growth and profitability. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Always my pure love for you guys, and thank you for your support. Have a wonderful good night.